Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will delve into the details surrounding Intel. Our initial report was shared on our website on the first Friday of January 2025, and now we are here to offer a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep yourself updated with our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Discover the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 13th of December, 2024, our system has categorized Intel as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.54. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 1.08%. This equates to an average return of 0.08% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines ahead. The present 3-month trend points to a possible decrease of approximately 12.46% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from a decline of 20.97% to an increase of 2.72%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a substantial decrease of around 56.70% over the coming year, with potential returns varying from a decline of 80.25% to a drop of 53.15%. This indicates a price range between $4.06 and $9.63 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Intel stock after gaining 1.68%. The Intel stock price increased by 1.68% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 3rd of January 2025, rising from $20.22 to $20.56. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a slight break in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.99%, ranging from a day low of $20.06 to a day high of $20.66. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.53% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 2 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 49 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $999,950,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $50.30, while the lowest price was $18.51. Currently, the price is 59.13%, or $29.74, below the 52-week high, and 70.33%, or $48.73, below the all-time high reached on January 24, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel Corporation encountered substantial challenges in 2024, becoming one of the poorest performing stocks in the NASDAQ 100. The company's difficulty in maintaining market share is intensified by a competitive environment in the semiconductor industry, highlighting broader operational problems that former CEO Pat Gelsinger aimed to tackle with an ambitious turnaround strategy. Currently, Intel's performance is under scrutiny as analysts question its ability to reclaim industry dominance. As we transition into 2025, investors are closely monitoring Intel. While some observers argue that the stock may be undervalued, the prevailing narrative suggests that Intel has a considerable amount to prove this year. Given the volatility in the tech sector and increased competition, shareholders are likely anxious about ongoing market erosion and the effectiveness of Intel's strategic initiatives. In the short term, Intel's stock price may experience increased fluctuations as investors respond to new market data and competitive announcements. If the company cannot stabilize or enhance its market position, we could witness further declines in its stock value. On the other hand, positive operational changes or unexpected market developments could present buying opportunities for risk-tolerant investors. The The long-term outlook relies on Intel's ability to successfully implement its turnaround and adapt to the rapidly changing tech landscape. Ongoing difficulties may lead investors to reallocate their capital, significantly affecting Intel's financial health and stock performance should challenges continue. Thus, the company's path in 2025 is critical for both short-term stock movements and long-term investor sentiment. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Intel a market perform rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, Goldman Sachs rated Intel as a sell with a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, Wedbush gave Intel an equal weight rating and a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Benchmark provided Intel a buy rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Wolfe Research rated Intel as reduce with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have provided the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 8%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. The Intel stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, yet the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a more negative outlook for the stock. If further gains occur, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $21.90. Conversely, should the stock decline, it will find support from the short-term average at $20.26. A breakthrough above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall negative sentiment. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 10 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. The short-term moving average generated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a sell signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 22 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a sell signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel has established support at a level of $20.44, which may present a buying opportunity. An upward reaction is likely when this support level is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 0.6% between its high and low points, representing a change of 2.99%. In the last week, the stock displayed an average daily volatility of 2.44%. Before we examine the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This key metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could signal risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 23rd of January, 2025. Analysts currently estimate earnings at 12 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $20.80. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $20.44. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel, according to various analyst sources, is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of December, 2024, Yuri Frank D conducted an insider purchase of 3,694,581 shares of phantom stock units. On the same day, Smith Gregory D conducted an insider purchase of 1,785,714 shares of phantom stock units. On the 27th of December, 2024, Ishraq Omar conducted an insider purchase of 1,539,409 shares of phantom stock units. On the same day, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider purchase of 1,477,832 shares of phantom stock units. On the 5th of December, 2024, Sanghi Steve conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 8.797. In total, insiders purchased 375,106 shares and sold 439,689 shares in these 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Intel stock a good buy? Currently, Intel exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 6th of January, we anticipate Intel will open lower, declining by 13.3 cents, starting at $20.43. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.